Hey guys, Richard Oki here, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can find top products to promote on ClickBank. It feels good to be back with another video. Well, before I get started, if you're interested in affiliate marketing and you want to take things to the next level, make sure you check out the link in the description below for a free training. But anyway, let's get started. So there are two main ways that we use to find top products on ClickBank. And as you may know already, if you have a ClickBank account, there are several products to choose from. And what this means is it's very, very difficult for you to find which products are actually going to make you money. However, there are very smart ways for you to actually filter and use external tools and platforms to actually find top products to promote on ClickBank. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what those things are. So right now I'm inside of our ClickBank account, and if I just scroll down, I can just go to any category as you normally would. So you've probably done this already if you use ClickBank. And if you're getting into ClickBank, then you're probably going to do this at some point. You're going to go to categories and you're just going to select a random category that you're interested in. Let's say I'm interested in promoting green products potentially. So I'm going to select that. And let's take a look. Okay, so right now I see a few offers. I see, this new battery reconditioning, popularity, is the sorting filter. And if I just scroll down, I can see all of these products. All right, sweet. And essentially, you can then say, the top offer right now is this new battery reconditioning course, easy battery reconditioning, because it's the #1 popularity. It's got $50 average sale, and you may just choose to run that offer like that. However, that doesn't mean that's going to make you money, and that's not the only way that you can filter. All right, so there are other ways inside of ClickBank. So there's something called gravity. And what gravity does is it shows you the top products that have been generating actual commissions for affiliates in the past, I believe it's 8 or 12 weeks. So the products that have high gravity are products that are not only trending, but products that people are actually making real money off. All right. So this I would say that rather than popularity, because popularity may just show that these are products that people are promoting. Maybe people are driving traffic to these hop links, which are essentially ClickBank offer URLs. However, that doesn't mean that they're making money. Whereas gravity indicates more towards money, and that's what we care about. If you're running your campaigns with CPA or affiliate marketing, you are there to make money. You don't really care about what things popular, what things trending or whatever. What are the things that are making people money? So gravity is a much better sorting filter. Now, let's say you are going through this list of products right here. So battery reconditioning course, okay, hot new offer. So I'm just going to click on a few of these offers in this particular niche, this green products niche. And as they open up, so they're all opening up right now. And what I'm looking for is, I'm just going to pause this video because I know a VSL video is going to start as per all the ClickBank offers, or majority of them. So just going to pause that video real quick. Now, what I'm looking for now is I want to use a tool to potentially give me some more information on the offer. All right. So I have this tool here in my, so this is in my Chrome, which you can't see right now because the screen recording is not showing it, but I use SimilarWeb, and SimilarWeb indicates to me the direction the offer is going in. All right. So that gives me more data to understand if this offer has potential or if this offer is potentially dying out. Maybe because the top affiliates who have run this offer are seeing that it's getting lower returns because maybe it's no longer converting as well. So if I just look at this particular offer, use this as an example, I can see that in August 2019, it got around almost 300,000 monthly visits to the offer page. And then that slowly died down towards 200K in October. And now we see another spike, all right? We see a boom. And what does a boom indicate? It means that more and more affiliates are driving traffic to this offer, which most likely is because the offer is generating, you know, good returns. So people are going to increase the amount of traffic because they're making money on those offers. So I like to not only use the gravity tool, but I also like to combine it with this so I can see the trend. Because you may see an offer that has high gravity, but it may be trending downwards, all right? So if it's going downwards and the trend is going downwards, that is not really beneficial for us, because we don't want to be the last, you know, people to the party, right? Everyone's made all the money and we just jump in and it's like, where's all the money gone? So I usually do this in combination just to like almost double check the offer and make sure that things are going in the right direction. So I picked up another offer from ClickBank. I opened up another offer and I want to open that offer now.
Hi, I'm Andy, and today I want to let you in on an amazing...
I'm gonna pause that video. And I'm gonna do the same thing. So this offer, let's go back to ClickBank. Yeah, so this offer is doing well in terms of gravity 82. So in this niche, this is like second top gravity. So let's see the direction this offer is going in as well. So I'm just opening up SimilarWeb. You can get SimilarWeb on Chrome. It's completely free to use. Now I see with this offer, this Backyard Revolution offer, I see that the trend is actually going downwards. So it's trending downwards, all right? And what does that indicate to me? That the offer may not be converting as well, all right? Maybe there's affiliates that have essentially wiped out that audience right now with that offer, and we may see it start picking up again in a few months when the audience gets kind of like almost renewed to a certain extent, and you know, the banner blindness goes away. But this isn't an offer that I personally would want to choose, because I don't like being, you know, I don't want to be the last person to the party. Everyone, the train has ended and I'm now joining the party at the end, and it's like, there's no more fun, all right? In terms of affiliate marketing, there's no more money. So I would rather not, you know, run an offer like this personally. You can still test out offers like this, but I would recommend that don't just use the ClickBank filters. It's not that valuable for you. Even though it tells you gravity, blah, 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 you need to make sure you're looking at things in thorough detail. That's how you start thinking like a super affiliate. You want to take things to the next level. Everyone does this. Everyone just looks at gravity and just picks it like that. But you want to go into detail, because that extra bit of research indicates those trends that you may not see, because the gravity doesn't show you what this data is showing you right now. And this is a completely free tool. Now, this is one way of doing things, all right? There's another way of leveraging almost like a data source around ClickBank, and it's called CB Engine. So this is a very good tool. So you go to cbengine.com, and this essentially tells us like the top new products on ClickBank, the products that have made them the most gains recently, like biggest movers. So what products are currently trending essentially, the top gravity products, top products for recurring billing. So if you're focused on maybe getting a lower upfront payment for your offer payouts, but your goal is just to maybe spike your traffic for a few months and then maybe just chillax, go on holiday for a bit, and then what you want to focus on is offers of rebills. Because even if you drive like 100 leads to a particular offer and they convert, those leads, a good proportion of those leads, as long as it's a good offer, will continue to pay through rebills, all right, if it's a rebill offer. And if I go ahead and select this option, where is it? Recurring. This will then show me the offers that are doing the best when it comes to rebills, all right? So I can see here, this Synergy Spanish offer is doing well. Piano for All, Ted's Woodworking. This, don't know what is this, Video Wise? I'm not sure if that's actually even a ClickBank offer, but it probably is. The Z Code, these Keto Sweets, Keto Slow Cooker. Yeah, so these are essentially the list of all the top products for essentially rebuilds, and you can use CB Engine just to tailor things a little bit more, with a lot more data to what you're looking for. All right, so are you looking for offers that you can maybe run for a couple of weeks that are currently doing well right now, this minute? Then I would suggest that you go for offers with the best gains, all right? If you're looking for good products and good offers that are doing well over the long term, right now, then what you could do is you could use the gravity and then combine that with that similar web that I showed you before, and use that in combination to see not only offers that are making affiliates money and the most money, but also offers that are trending upwards, or at least remaining fairly stable. You don't really want to jump onto offers that are trending downwards, because that indicates that potentially maybe there's something on the back end that the offer is no longer converting as well, and you don't really want to spend time and get invested into those offers too much, in my personal opinion. It's just something that I personally just don't do, and I hope you can understand why. But yeah, so if you are interested in affiliate marketing, make sure you check out the link below this video. We have some free training to help affiliates, in our community, affiliates just like you, to take things to the next level with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is an industry, as you can see on my screen right now, with a lot of information. And what's key is that you're able to digest not only the information in the right way, but digest the correct information, and make sure you have a good roadmap on your journey to success with affiliate marketing. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. I would appreciate it. Also, drop a comment on something that you'd like to see in one of my next videos, and I'll see you in the next vid.
Allow me to introduce the Dice University Forum. Whether you are trying to make your first conversion on ClickBank or scale your campaigns to 6 figures, the Dice University Forum offers you exactly what you need, like high-quality landing page templates, detailed case studies, and exclusive discounts. The forum has no outdated information. All resources inside are from campaigns that are running right now. Do you want to learn from super affiliates? Check the link in the description and sign up today.